Hey guys, Cal here from Little Owl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to brew cold brew coffee. So starting off with the most important element, your coffee. Full Moon is our recommended blend. It's typically a little bit lighter roasted, has some really nice orange acidity through it, which is more pronounced in a cold brew. Cold brew is an immersion brewing type where coarsely ground coffee is steeped in water over a period of time. Our ratio is 1 to 10, so 1 part coffee, 10 parts water. So if you're brewing coffee in a system like this, which is the Toddy system, 1 kilo of coffee, you'll need 10 litres of water. Giving you a basic rundown on the equipment needed and required to make your cold brew. We recommend the Toddy brew system, which has a lift and a tap inside it. You'll need a set of filter papers, as well as a strainer bag, and most importantly, your coarsely ground coffee. Just going to place the strainer bag into the Toddies. All right, so we've got that one placed in there now. We're going to open up the filter bag. Placing the filter bag in the Toddy. So we have 1 kilo of coffee here, so we want 10 litres of water. Saturate the coffee grounds with water, making sure that everything is covered and fully submerged. We'll make sure that it's out of the water, but you can typically tie it up with any kind of lace. Just make sure all the grounds are fully saturated and immersed in water. And the last step is to grab your lid of your Toddy and put it on your Toddy so it's ready for brewing. We've actually put our instruction guide step by step on the top of our lid so that it's easy to remember, and if someone's coming in that hasn't worked here before, they know what our recipe and our process is. It's important to always label your brew once you've finished it, putting the date in, the time in, and then also the date out and the time out, so that if another cafe member's coming in, they know when to pull it out the next day. All right, so our coffee's been brewing overnight. It's been brewed for 20 hours, so we'll now remove and drain the bag. We always sit a strainer like this on top, just to get all the remaining coffee, and you can let it sit there and just drain until it's finished. Okay, so we've removed our strainer and our ground coffee from the Toddy system. We just want to give it a little bit of a stir before we pour ourselves a glass. And it's as easy as that. If you're wanting to add cold brew to your order, please just let the Little Owl staff know when you're placing your weekly coffee order, and it needs to be ground for cold brew. If you've got any other questions, please hit us up. Thanks guys.